Happy Halloween, everyone. Welcome to Beyond the Adventure. Tonight's episode is Sleepy Hollow, and let's get started. So, opening this episode up here, I want to show you the sun setting on the Mass Pike. Now, this episode takes place in Sturbridge, Massachusetts. Now, for the intro here, I decided to change things up a bit to celebrate Halloween, because the next time Halloween actually occurs on a Wednesday is the year 2029. Absolutely crazy. Anyways, like I said, this takes place in Old Sturbridge Village, located in Sturbridge, Massachusetts. This is the Wikipedia page right here. So this is the largest living history museum located in New England, which recreates rural New England life during the 1790s through the 1830s. It consists of more than 200 acres and includes 59 unique antique buildings, 3 water-powered mills, and a working farm. I have gone here a bunch of times when I was a little kid. I probably haven't gone to this location in at least 15 or so years. Now anyways, here is entering the tavern. I had found out about this through one of the local newspapers' websites, and they said that this was a popular thing to check out. I had never heard of it taking place at Sturbridge Village, and I thought it was interesting to check out Sturbridge Village at night, so we decided to get tickets for this event right here. Now, a little bit about this. It was more so like a musical. Now, I didn't know it was a musical. I'm not a fan of musicals. I think the only musical that I will watch is The Wizard of Oz, but this was a well performance. I liked it, and the whole setup of it was pretty darn cool, if I do say so myself. Now, it's about 2 hours long, and this is the 4th year, I believe, that this has taken place at Old Sturbridge Village. It is directed by a person by the name of Brian Cloudis, and it is one of the top 5 Halloween plays in American Theater Magazine. Anyways, for those of you that don't know anything about Sleepy Hollow, it is located up in New York, and it is a very popular tale, especially around the Halloween time, because of a character known as the Headless Horseman, which was a soldier who had lost his head during the Revolutionary War. A cannonball had took it clean off, so apparently he wanders throughout the night trying to find his lost head or find the replacement head, and he rides on this massive horse, and he carries a jack-o'-lantern around that has flames and everything coming out of it. Very, very cool. Anyways, this is just the start of the play. You basically go to a building and you have the option to purchase chowder, and they have snacks and everything like that. Then you march through the village, which is lit by candlelight. All these people come out of this barn here that has the spooky black lighting and the fog machines going on, and they're all carrying actual candle-lit lanterns, which I thought was really cool. So here they are, just telling us a little backstory about each of the characters, and this is heading out to one of the different stops. You would go to a different stop, and they would tell you a little bit more of the story, and there was like a song or two that they would sing, and they would bring you to the next stop. This was really cool right here. This was like a harvest fair that was supposed to take place on All Hallows Eve, which is a night that supposedly Ichabod Crane had left and became beheaded by the Headless Horseman, or never to be seen again. Anyways, that also served as the intermission of the play in there, and like I said, it was really cool. All these decorations that were lit up on the stage and everything like that. And they came out, and you can see there's like these, I don't know how to describe them, muses or dementors, or they have like a darkened face, and they're carrying lanterns around and walking around the stage. They were very, very cool. So you go to all these different stations. I believe there was 4 or 5 in total, and it all accumulates at this bridge right here, this covered bridge. People line up on both sides of it, and a person comes down the bridge dressed as a Headless Horseman on a horse with a jack-o'-lantern with flames coming out of it. Very, very cool. You'll see that in a second. You see those people that I was talking about, the lantern there. Very cool, hidden, or not hidden, but like secretive, demonic type of thing. I don't know, I thought they were neat looking. There's Ichabod Crane running across. There is the Headless Horseman chasing him across the bridge. Now, the Headless Horseman did come back for another pass around, and then came back one more time, but Ichabod Crane was not present for that. All in all, very, very cool experience. I would definitely go see it again, even though I am not a fan of musicals. This was a very cool performance, definitely worth the trip, and I would like to go out and see Old Sturbridge Village in the actual daylight, because like I said, I haven't been there in a good 15 or so years. Anyway, that is the end of the episode. Hopefully I'll be back in my same location next week for filming episodes. We're doing a little bit of work on the back porch, so things are kind of a mess out there. Once again, the power has gone out. I will see you guys later. Have a happy and safe Halloween. Thank you for watching. Peace.